Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be checking out the BallBoy from FidgetBoy. So let's check it out. I'm excited. It's the see-through one. Let us check it out. Do 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 do. Ta ta. Stickers. Neat. The ball. Oh, extra piece. Oh, he gave a sandwich piece. That's nice. The BallBoy. My watch is going off. Okay. Time to extendo BallBoy. Okay, wait, just without the sandwich piece first. Gimme. Gimme. Huh. The BallBoy. Neato. How nice to give the sandwich piece, though. It feels so weird. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a very weird texture. It feels, I just don't know how to describe it. It's just so odd. It's like such an odd sensation. All the bumps. But I like this thing. This is odd. It's so strange. But in a good way. It really moves, this thing. I don't know what to do with this sandwich piece. Extendo. It's like an odd hand massage. Can't reach. Can't reach. Okay. I just keep like playing with this. This is great. I'm like just lost for words. This is just like so much fun. I highly recommend this to anybody. I'm just like, so much fun. I don't know what else to say. Get one. Get the BallBoy with the extendo piece, if he's got it. Why is this so much fun? Can make a light switch. Can make like a knife. I don't know. Hiya! This is like so entertaining. Okay. All right. So, BallBoy, fun. Fun. It's about 50 millimeters. Nah. 50, yeah. 50 millimeters. Bye! $26.6, whatever. A+. I should have gotten one sooner. Oh no. Alright guys, so this is probably it, because I'm just gonna keep playing with this. So yeah, just, this is awesome. This is more fun than I thought it would be. And yeah. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, even though it was just me like playing around with this thing, but it's like so much fun, guys. It's so weird and fun. Ow. Well, that didn't hurt. I don't know why I said ow. Pow. Alright guys, alright, it's over. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. It really helps. And I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a fantastic day or night. And yeah, have a great one, guys. Bye.